Sir, ours heading field operation. Base? No.
Why did you do that? You're such a mean brother.
It was worth it. I couldn't resist. I'm bushed. I'm sorry. Love you.
In tonight's K2 Fugitive Alert, we team up with local law enforcement to track down a man who police say assaulted one of their own and then went on the run. K2's Anna Song shows you who they're after tonight.
He's only 21 years old, but police tell me this man is already racking up quite the rap sheet. At 21, he has an arrest warrant set for him at $1 million. His name is Kyle Holder. Last October, a Beaverton police officer noticed him getting into a stolen car on Filbert Street, north of Highway 26. When the officer tried to arrest him, he fought back, slugging the officer in the eye.
Why is the door locked?
Never mind.
Go. Wake up, there's a noise. There's somebody downstairs.
What?
Wake up.
What? Get off me.
Wake
What?
up. I heard a noise downstairs.
You heard crap. Leave me alone.
Go, please, help me. Please.
What?
I heard a noise.
You heard a noise. Let's go check it out. Nothing over there.
Oh, that's because I need to check.
There's nothing down here.
You haven't checked every corner. Nice.
This way. There ain't crap down here.
Why did you turn off the light?
Because there's nothing down here.
Please call him.
No.
I know I heard him.
You heard nothing.
I know I heard it.
No, you didn't.
Zoe! What? There's a fugitive in the house. I heard him.
You heard him?
I need your help.
Oh, I'm so scared. Why don't you go find him?
No.
'Cause I'm old. only a crack in this castle of glass. Hardly
Zoe, Cole!
What?
Now do you believe me?
Where'd you get that?
Nothing even real. Let me see it.
crack in this castle of glass. Hardly anything else I need to be.